I'm gonna try some sauce.
All right.
Hot.
Yeah, steaming hot. Just Courageous Eater. I'm D,
Layla?
and we are at U Kitchen. All
Boboja.
right, I don't know what that means.
Okay.
I'm a bad Chinese. What does it mean?
It means either mother-in-law kitchen or grandma's kitchen.
All right, well, Grandma and Mother-in-law's kitchen. Let's go find
They
some
always
dumplings.
cook good.
Let's do it. All right, we got our pan-fried buns here. So they're gonna be crispy. Little green onion on the top. I think they're pork, right?
Wow. So I think they steam
These
first.
are steamed and then
And then deep fry.
ah,
in a
or pan fry. Yeah,
pan
pan fry.
fry.
Yeah. You see the back of it. So we mixed a little soy sauce, vinegar, and
Chili
chili
oil.
oil. All right. I need
Okay,
this.
let's go for it.
Yeah. Let's try this guy out.
Okay, it's really hot, but
Oh God. Look away.
small bite. Small
Look away.
bite.
Small bite. This thing's
Right.
steaming hot. This thing's really freaking hot. All right. You can taste that ginger in the meat. They're really good. I love the doughiness of the bun. You know,
Right.
so it got a little thick, and the crispy on the bottom.
Yeah, it's like soft on this side, but crispy the other side.
Yeah, really cool. Really cool stuff. So we got our Big Mouth Pancake here. Have you had this before?
No, it's my first time.
It's
Are
like
you okay
beef.
with cilantro and
Yeah.
green onions?
Why would I not be okay with
Okay.
cilantro? Are you okay with cilantro?
Yeah, I eat everything.
All right, then let's go.
We got a lot of sesames.
Oh yeah, oh, this thing's like a pocket. It's like a hot pocket.
Yeah.
This is like a beef hot pocket. All right, cheers. That is very, very good.
I like the sweetness of the beef.
Is it hoisin sauce, you think? Yeah. There's a sweet Chinese barbecue sauce called hoisin sauce that's on this beef roll that just adds to this thing. It's delicious. This is your favorite, right?
Yeah, pickled cabbage pork dumplings.
And our xiaolong baos. Oh my god, it's
Oh,
all
okay.
it's all juicy. Oh, it's
It's a
So-
disaster here.
I like to go from the side and I drink the soup.
First? Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I bite. That's my style. But what's your style?
I drink
break
the
it?
fir- Yeah, I break it and drink the soup.
So these dumplings have soups in them, right? So like little like cubes of soup that you put into the dumpling.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna try some sauce.
All right. All right, break the side. And then I just go in. Yeah. I love this.
Hot.
Yeah, steaming hot. Just the soup or the dumpling, all of it. I love the meat filling they have here with the ginger.
Right.
It tastes really good.
Because you know why?
What's that?
That's the way like they reduce the heavy, like, you know, sometimes pork tastes kind of too strong.
Yeah.
That's
So you
the
add
way to
ginger?
balance out. No.
She knows what she's talking about.
I cook.
So these are the pickled cabbage and pork dumplings. Let's go ahead and grab one. It's steaming hot. I feel I'm gonna get scalded here.
Okay, small bite.
Small bite. I'll use my spoon here so I don't get burnt. It's so juicy inside. Look at this thing.
Can you taste the pickled cabbage?
Yeah, I think the sourness adds a nice balance to the meat. Some of that juice. Oh, that's really good. These dumplings are really good. U Kitchen, I'm very impressed with this restaurant.
I'm in love.
In love, in love. What'd you love?
I like the Big Mouth beef. It's really good.
That
Like,
was amazing. It's sweet with the beef savory. If you're a dumpling fan, you like northern Chinese food with more doughy, less rice.
This
come
is
on.
the right place.
This is the right place, all right? So U Kitchen, Alhambra. Check it out.